Hello everyone, welcome to my channel.
DM Electrical Tutorial.
Hello guys, ngayon gagawa tayo ng control panel ng vibrator. Ito yung mga parts na gagamitin natin. I-mount natin yan, bubutasan natin yung box, at saka natin i-mount yung indicator light. Okay? We need to mount all these lights. Ito yung power on, stop, standby, on, off, on, off. Selector switch, on, off. Okay? Gagawa tayo ng control box ng vibrator motor. So this is 480 volts, 110 volts, control, fuse, timer, twin timer, contactor. Ang kailangan natin relay, protection ng contact timer. Gagawa muna tayo ng diagram, saka natin iyan now. Selector switch, timer on, 5 seconds of delay, green light on, this one on, changing position. Okay guys, nakamount na ang ating control is auto transformer, 480 volts to 120 volts. Control for here because this one here is 110 volts. This for 3-phase 480 volts going to here, going to the motor. And this is timer and relay. Timer will energize this one, trigger this one, and start the contactor. Okay, and all selector switch already mounted. Control, vibrator control, power on. If you have a power on, this one standby or stop. When selector switch is turn on, when you turn on, that means 5 seconds or 10 seconds. It depends from the setting. Then timer start. Might be 3 or 5 seconds by working the motor. After 5 minutes or 10 minutes, stop, and then 3 minutes again here or 5 minutes, start, stop, start. So we will use the twin timer. Let's say we use red one is on. That means 3 minutes vibrate on, and 6 minutes is off, standby. Okay, so now we have going to wiring installation. We wired, and after that the supply for here going to motor to here, but we need to control first, right? Okay guys, almost done. We need power here. I have already here, and only the light here, supply. Okay, I put inside the box now. Almost done, right? Later on, we need supply for the motor here, and here for disconnect switch, toggle switch, turn off and on. Power coming here, going to here. Okay, I put inside the box now, baby. Tapos na ang ating vibrator control. See? On, off, start, stop, standby. 3 to 5 seconds, start. This one is off. This is control power on, all the time on. See? Start. 3 to 5 seconds, off, on. Wiring is done, guys. Working good. This timer, twin timer. Instead, this one here, I use relay to energize the contactor. When the contactor is energized, motor's on. This one is green lights on too. Look, see, green. That's green. And off. Okay, good job. Save money. Now you learn how to do. Just important, make the diagram. Okay, we need the power here for the motor, and for here is supply for main supply with disconnect here, switch, toggle switch. Okay, working good now, guys. just follow the circuit diagram I make. Then you can do it. You can do it after. Okay? Let's say if they don't want to turn on to use the vibrator, they can turn off here selector switch. It's off. This one no power also. When you turn on, it's off for now, standby, and 3 seconds on, 3 to 5 seconds running, off. The vibrator not continues shaking. The material won't stuck to the hopper. Okay? Thank you for watching. You have to learn now. You can do it by yourself now. Just to arrange the wire, that's it. Okay? Good job. Okay guys, I arranged the wire already. Good. Okay guys, naayos ko na ang wiring. See? Naayos ko na ang wiring at ready to go. Nag-automatic na. On, off, on, off. See? On, off. Standby. Stop. Standby. Motor start. Vibrating. Stop. Standby for 3, 5, 6. It depends how many you want to set up. Okay. Ready to go. I need only disconnect shit here for power going inside, and this one here cable going to the motor. This motor going here to the load side of contactor. Okay. So this is power coming here, so that's all. And this one here for 480 volts primary transformer, and secondary is 110 volt for control here. 110 volts control for 110 here and here and here. Okay, it's done. That's all guys. See you next video. Thank you for watching.